guys, what's up? Another week, another episode of Maker Table Metal. Today we're bringing it on back to the basics. When you first get a welder, the first project most people do is build a welding cart. So we've spent the last few years here building up a lot of special tools that do a lot of cool stuff really fast, but we're not going to use any of those today. We're just going to go and keep it really attainable and use some basic hand tools that all of you guys have in your shop, and a little flux core welder that I've had for the last 6 or 7 years. We got this box from Hobo Freight. It was, what was it, 90 bucks?
Yeah, like 90 bucks.
Okay, and we're gonna use most of the parts off of it except for these two shells we don't need. And we're gonna reuse the wheels and some of this hardware here. And I don't think we'll even need the keys anymore, really, because we're gonna take this top off and set the welder down in here. Here's the big plan. We've got this toolbox right here from Hobo Freight, and we're gonna use the existing angles that come with it to tie the corners of the box together. Then we're gonna make a tube frame to support the bottom of it. We're gonna extend one side of it to hold a shielding gas bottle. And I think because we're a custom shop and we do cool stuff, we're gonna C-notch it, add wheels, so it's kind of a Lowrider welding cart, and make it a little bit easier to load the bottles in. Then put some sort of little deal around the back here so we can chain up the bottles and keep it safe. The welder is gonna sit right in here and have our hot end and ground clamp coming out this side. Dan, ready to pimp this cart?
I guess. Handle in this situation.
Alright guys, we had a ton of fun working on that welding cart today. Hopefully it gave you guys some ideas. Just really wanted to give you guys some inspiration for your own builds in your own shop. As you can see, we use tools that totally available, totally accessible to everybody, really at any level. So we didn't use anything really tricky. We didn't use any plasma table. We didn't use our bandsaw. We didn't even use the cutting torch for that matter. Just cutting wheels, a chop saw, and a welder. So it's really all it takes, guys, to get started in this business. Hopefully you're all doing great. Good luck building what you're building, and check us out on Instagram, maker.table. Love to hear more from you guys. All right, peace.